Close your eyes and imagine a world where tranquility and wellness are just a breath away. Welcome to our sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. But what if you could carry your sanctuary with you wherever you go? Introducing our mobile app. Access a wealth of yoga classes, guided meditations, massage collections, and self-care techniques right at your fingertips. Create your own oasis of peace, anytime, anywhere. Download our app to embark on a path of tranquility and self-discovery. Your journey awaits. Namaste.
Hi, I'm Carly, and this is your 5-minute guided meditation for compassion. This is one of my favorite meditations to do because it is so quick and easy. You can do it sitting, you can do it laying down on your back before bed. You can even do it from your desk chair if you want a quick 5-minute break from work. All you'll need is just a place to be. If you don't have time to do this video right now, just make sure to save it to your watch later playlist so you can join me when you're ready. We'll begin today in a comfortable seat, or you can lie down on your back if that's... Hold on. We'll begin today in a comfortable seat, or you can lie down on your back if that feels better for you. This is a meditation that I do when I want to extend a little extra compassion to myself or to those around me if I've been feeling a little bit of anger or annoyance towards people, or even just short with myself. This is such a quick and easy meditation to tap into. So go ahead and close down your eyes. Your palms can rest face down on your knees, or you can bring a hand to your heart and feel the beating in your chest. Start to notice the rise and the fall of your breath. As you breathe in, you feel air expand into the lungs and into the belly. And as you breathe out, you feel the air release from your belly and from your lungs. Stay with this breath here. And just listen to the words that I speak. Think of a person that you love. Maybe it's a friend or a family member or a partner. Someone you feel your heart beating with joy for. Breathe into your heart space and say these words to them in your head. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be free from suffering and harm. May you feel loved. Now think of a difficult person. Someone it's a little harder to love. Could be a coworker, or even someone who just cut you off in traffic. It doesn't matter, but someone you're feeling some anger towards. Breathe deeply into your heart and say these words to that difficult person in your head. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be free from suffering and harm. May you feel loved. Now think of yourself, your body, your mind, your soul. Breathe deeply into your heart and say these words to yourself in your head. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be free from suffering and harm. May I feel loved. Lastly, think of all beings everywhere. Every beautiful life form on this planet. Breathe into your heart and say these words to all beings everywhere. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be free from suffering and harm. May you feel loved. Feel your heart space swell with love. Feel the mind become calmer and the tension release from your face, from your shoulders. Bring your left hand to your heart and your right hand to your belly. Breathe in and feel them expand. Breathe out and feel them fall. You are exactly where you're meant to be. You are loved, and you give love. Take this compassion with you as you continue the rest of your day. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're feeling more open in your heart space, and I hope to see you again soon.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. Available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.